He loves me not, huh? Is that what you're doing? Oh, got a lot of them there. Good job. Let's see the rose. Show Mommy the rose. Flower petal. Hi, babe. Yeah, you're showing the flower petals to the camera? And let's see this. Hold it. Hold it up. Don't worry, she's not eating flower petals. She's eating carrots.